Welcome children. In this video we have discussing animals and their babies. The babies of animals have different names. Learn them also. We have discussed the first one is hen. The baby of hen is chick. Hen Hen and its baby is chick Chick. Next is cow Cow and the baby one is calf Calf. Next is cat Cat and its baby is kitten Kitten. Next is dog Dog and the baby of dog is puppy Puppy. Next is deer Deer and the baby one is fawn Fawn. Next is elephant Elephant and the baby of elephant is calf Calf. Next is sheep Sheep and the baby is lamb Lamb. Next is goat Goat and the baby of goat is called kid Kid. Next is horse Horse and the baby of horse is called foal Foal. Next is lion Lion and the baby one is cub Cub. Next is hare Hare and the baby of hare is leveret Leveret. Next is goose Goose and the baby of goose is called gosling Gosling. So we have discussed some animals and their babies: hen, chick, cow, calf, cat, kitten, dog, puppy, deer, fawn, elephant, calf, sheep, lamb, goat, kid, horse, foal, lion, cub, hare, leveret, goose, gosling. So we will meet in the next video. Bye bye.